Do you need an automated and quick solution to wire closing? Introducing the Akiles FlexiCloser 2, the next generation in automatic wire closing, capable of automatically detecting wire size and applying exact pressure for perfect closure each and every time. With twice the speed of the original FlexiCloser, the Akiles FlexiCloser 2 features a new and improved motor that allows for even more productivity than ever before. Let's take a look at a real-time comparison test between the new Akiles FlexiCloser 2 and the Akiles FlexiCloser. Finish the job as fast as ever before. Featuring the revolutionary Smart Detect system, the Akiles FlexiCloser 2 can automatically identify wire size and close any wire in any pitch. A magnetic backplate attracts and holds the wire steady. And an all-metal closing plate adds strength for years of durability. To use the machine, place the wire on the convenient wire closer, then insert your documents. Place the inserted documents with the wire opening facing the magnetic strip. Press the start button and let the FlexiCloser 2 do all the work. Error-free results, no matter who operates the machine. It's that easy. The FlexiCloser 2 features an LCD control panel with touch-sensitive buttons to ensure ease of use. And a built-in safety sensor provides safe and trouble-free closing without risk of injury. The micro-adjust keypad guarantees a perfect closure of all wires and brands by allowing the operator to manually adjust the closure distance. If your wire is overclosed, you can press the plus button to increase the closure distance. If your wire is underclosed, you can press the minus button to decrease the closure distance. Adjustments can be memorized for each wire size. The Akiles FlexiCloser 2 features a 1-year warranty. In case your machine needs warranty repair, we'll take care of parts and labor. For an easy-to-use, automated solution to wire binding, the Akiles FlexiCloser 2 is the machine you need for perfect wire closing each and every time.